Greetings and blessings, beautiful people. Welcome to Nanava's Kitchen. On the menu is AKARA Kooshe, a gluten-free, protein-packed street food raining from West Africa. This is the Ghanaian version. This is also the peeled version. So I have my black-eyed beans previously soaked for 4 hours to loosen the skin, and I proceed by peeling it using a grater. The skin should fall right off when you take your fistful of the soaked beans and rub it gently on the grater. The skin should just fall right off. Then transfer the peeled beans into a blender and add your shallots, salt, all-purpose seasoning or bouillon of your choice, and 1 scotch bonnet chili. You're going to blend till you have a silky smooth texture. Now transfer the blended mixture into a bowl, because the next step is to whip air into this mixture, because you want the final product to be light in weight and pillowy in texture. I am using my hand mixer to whip air into the mixture. You want it to double in size. That will be your indication that you've whipped enough air into it and you are ready to add your textures to it before you fry. The original way the women did it is use their hand in beating the mixture together for several minutes until it doubles in size. And then they fry it right afterwards. But I choose to add a little texture and color by some scallions that I chopped, as well as some red bell peppers. So that step is optional, by the way. It is now time to fry these beauties. So my oil begins to heat up, and while that is happening, I fold in the chopped ingredients, okay, with emphasis on the word fold, so you do not deflate the airy texture, okay? So the oil is hot enough. We're frying on medium heat. You want your oil to be anywhere around 200 degrees Fahrenheit to fry these perfectly. Now keep in mind that the smaller the amounts per scoop, the quicker and the easier it fries, because you whip so much air into the batter already. So when you scoop a small amount into the hot oil, it will inflate, it becoming pillowy, almost doubling in size. So the smaller the amount, the better, okay? And once you've scooped your desired amount in there, you want to almost overcrowd the pot. Just before overcrowding, that's when you stop scooping. And then you want to flip with a skewer. I find it easier using a skewer. And you want a golden color throughout, just like that. Those are so pretty. Wait till we open them up. Ooh, done, friends. These are paired so well each time with your Hausa Koko. Now look, do you see how pillowy it is? And those specks of green and red, just absolutely stunning. And they are savory, they're very delicious, they're also nutritious, and they're absolutely, hands down, enjoyable. Kooshe or akara is typically served with Hausa Koko, and I have 2 recipes on this channel. I also recently shared how to make your Hausa Koko mix or flour that stores well at room temperature and readily available for you whenever you are craving your Hausa Koko. That's also linked below. Thank you all, friends and family, for your love and support of this channel. If you're not already subscribed, I hope this moves you to do so. I hope you all learned a thing or two and are inspired to try this recipe. Please make it a great day and have fun, especially in that kitchen. Thank you, beautiful person, for watching the video all the way to the end. Kindly leave me a comment and subscribe down below, and don't forget to share the video as well. Also, watch more videos. It is chop time, and here in Nanava's Kitchen, chop time is always yes, friends. So pull up a chair. We are all friends and family here.